Hi, boys and girls. It's your teacher, Miss Amy here. I miss you guys so much. I cannot believe the school year is almost over. Today we're going to read a book about bugs, of course. It's called Bugs A to Z. This book has real information, real photographs. So, is it fiction or nonfiction? Nonfiction, right. It's giving us information that's real. It's not a pretend story. Okay, so this is Bugs A to Z. This book might help you make a list if you want to make an A, B, C, D, A to Z list of all the bugs you know. This will help you. So you might want to get a piece of paper and get your letters ready so you can write down the names next to the letters. So let's see what bugs we can learn about today. So, what letter is this? A. You're right, A. A for ant or A for aphid. There's an ant, and aphids are these tiny little green ones. You can't really see them. What comes after A? B. B is for bee or butterfly. C. C is for caterpillar or C is for cricket. Caterpillar, cricket, they both start with C. What letter is this? D. D for dragonfly or D for dung beetle. A dung beetle eats poop. That's kind of silly. Before they eat it, they roll into small balls. That's kind of funny. Did that make you laugh? That a dung beetle eats poop? And the dragonflies has 6 legs, but they cannot walk. Instead, they use their wings to fly. Ooh, I didn't know that. That's new information. I learned about 2 insects that start with the letter D. I did not know dung beetles eat their poop, and I did not know dragonflies couldn't use their legs. Next is E. Do you guys remember this one with the pincher on it from our other book? An earwig. Or there's an emperor dragonfly. An emperor dragonfly lives near rivers and lakes, and they have blue bellies, and the girls have green bellies. Here's F, the letter F, firefly and fly. Those are both bugs that start with the letter F. Ooh, G, glowworm or grasshopper. A glowworm, only glowworm larvae and adult female glowworms glow. They glow a blue or green color. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's glowing. And grasshopper starts with G. After G is H. That's the H sound. H. Like hornet or hornworm. A hornet chews wooden plants to make paste, and then they use it to make nests. A hornworm are some of the largest caterpillars. They can grow to be 4 inches long. Ooh, maybe you can get out a ruler and see how long 4 inches is. That's a big caterpillar. Inchworm, an inchworm. And I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not gonna lie, friends. Eel moth? They have wings and they have a pattern that can scare away animals that will eat them, called predators. So they have a cool design on them. They're spelled I-O and then moth. That's interesting. And so they have a cool pattern to scare away their predators, the bigger animals that might eat them. J for jewel beetle or June bug. So lots of beetles. There's all different kinds of beetles. This is a jewel beetle. This is a June bug. Remember, there's a beetle that starts with the letter L. I bet you'll remember it. Here's K. Wow, that's a cool looking bug. That's a katydid. They rub their wings together like crickets. The noise of the rubbing makes them sound like their name. Katydid, katydid. I hope I'm saying that right. Sometimes it's hard to pronounce new words. And a keylid tree topper. Some keylid tree toppers look like leaves, so they disguise themselves to hide, so they camouflage. They do kind of look like leaves. Next is L for ladybug. Not all ladybugs have the same number of spots. Some have no spots. Others have as many as 24 spots. And there's a bug called a leafhopper. And they have special mouths shaped like straws, and they like to eat the tree sap. Now we're on M. This is a mantis or a moth. Those are both different types of insects that start with the letter M. Oh boy, here's a big word for Miss Amy. Narcissus bulbfly? Narcissus bulbfly? See, Miss Amy does not know everything, kids, and I do not know how to read every word in the world, so I need practice too, so you can help me learn too. We're learning together. So, this is a special kind of bee, but they do not sting. So, we could always say N for nice. It's a nice bee, since this is a really big word. Because this bee does not sting. O for orange tip butterfly. Ooh, that's pretty. Orange tip butterfly. It's orange on top of their wings. Or an Oregon swallowtail. Miss Amy's been to Oregon and it's beautiful. P for painted ladybugs. Painted ladybugs? No, Miss Amy. Painted lady butterfly. The painted lady butterflies are known for their colorful wings. They migrate from North Africa to Europe every summer. Migrate means they move from one place to another. They travel far, usually due to the weather. Q, qua. There's a queen butterfly and a question mark butterfly. Ooh, I'm interested in what a question mark butterfly means. Question mark butterflies get their name from the shape of their wings. The front set of their wings form the shape of a question mark. Huh, interesting. Question mark butterfly. Here's R, a red imported fire ant. Red imported fire ants can sting. Their sting is painful and their poison can be deadly. Ooh, we don't want to see any red fire ants, right? And a rhinoceros beetle? They are some of the strongest insects on the planet. They are also some of the largest. Kind of look like a rhino. A rhino. I would not want to see that bug. S for scorpion and spider. Scorpion has poisonous stingers and their poison is called venom. All spiders have 8 legs. We know that. So is a spider an insect? No, an insect has 6 legs. T for tarantula. Tarantulas are big and they're hairy spiders. Unlike many other spiders, they do not make webs. Instead, tarantulas live in trees or underground. They look super fuzzy. Or a tick. Most ticks live in the woods or in the fields. They can live for up to 3 years. Miss Amy does not like ticks. U, umbrella wasp. That's a cool name, an umbrella wasp. They get their name from the shape of their nests. Their nests look like an upside down umbrella. Oh, very cool. V, velvet mite. I've never heard of a velvet mite. Velvet is another word that describes fabric that's soft. Velvet mites are known for their bright red colors. Their bodies are covered in tiny hairs. W, wasp. Some wasps are yellow and black, but they are not bees. One wasp net can hold up to 100,000 wasps. Wow, that's a lot. And here's a water strider. Water striders have special long legs. Their legs let them walk on water. They can walk on water. How cool is that? Oh, and here comes another hard one that Miss Amy's going to have to try to pronounce. It starts with the letter X, and we're going to go with Xerus blue butterfly. They've been extinct since the 1940s. Does anybody know what extinct means? Extinct is like the dinosaurs. They are no longer here on planet Earth. They used to be here, but they're not here anymore because they couldn't survive either due to weather or the climate or other bigger animals might have eaten them. That's pretty cool. Y, yellow crane fly and yellow jacket wasp. So lots of different kinds of beetles and wasps and flies. Z, for a zebra spider. Very cool. Zebra spiders are a kind of jumping spider. Oh, they jump. They jump on their food. Zebra spiders do not build webs like many other spiders do. And there's a zebra butterfly. So cool. They're black and white. They're patterned like a zebra. So now you should have your whole list filled out from A to Z. Let's take a look at the back. Since this is a nonfiction book, sometimes we have, do you remember what this word is called that I taught you? Glossary. In the glossary, there's a bunch of words, and the words have definitions. So you can learn with some of those words that you don't know what they mean. It can help you back here. Miss Amy needed the glossary when I was reading the book because there's some words I could not say. And that's the end. Bugs A to Z. Miss you guys and love you so much.